Hello everybody, we have a PS5 controller which has a little bit of a drifting, but not too much, but enough that I want to take it apart, and I thought why not make a video about simulating a stick drift. So we will take this PS5 controller apart and we will disassemble the potentiometer. Let's go. Okay, the controller is connected. We're going to have a look at a gamepad tester and see how much we are misaligned. So as you can see, just a little bit offset. The right Joy-Con is better, the left one is a bit pushing down to the right. Okay, we're now disassembled, so we're gonna take a look at the potentiometer. We're gonna clip it out, put the metal ring and that plastic out, and see how it looks inside. It should be quite in an accurate state, so let's see how it looks inside. Okay, this is what it looks like, so we need to be here. That is what we're focusing on. So let's just take that plastic ring off, which has that metal piece on. I have used sandpaper. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make that contacts worse with sandpaper. Then the other one. Be careful not to bend it. Everything is very tiny. So put that aside. Okay, now we're going to scratch that here a little bit. So that's kind of a, a lot of usage, drifting around. doesn't seem like I'm able to scratch it, so we need another tool. Okay. That's how it looks like, just a little bit. So the right direction is the two screws here at the bottom, so the contact has to be on the upside, like this. Just gonna lay that in there. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna push that back. Make it click, let it click. Now we should have a kind of worn out potentiometer, and let's see if we successfully simulated a stick drift. So we're going to put it back together and see if it got worse. Let's go. Okay, now we have a controller board. Okay, we have put our controller back. Now we're going to connect it to the computer and have a look if anything got worse. So let's connect it. Okay, we're connected. And let's see what we got here. Okay, we're a bit out of focus. Okay, here we have our controller. And as you can see, we created on one line the left joystick up and down. We created successfully a stick drift. Yeah, I hope it was interesting and the simulation was successful, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So see you the next time. Goodbye.